Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between braced frame and unbraced frame on the earthquake. To do that, we're going to use the Mola kit to build two different structures. One will be braced and the other one unbraced. Now, let's add the braces. Now, let's apply the earthquake on the structures. You can see that the brace frame is rigid while the unbraced frame is flexible. You can see that the two frames had very different behavior. The braced frame remains undamaged, but the unbraced frame experiences significant deformation until it leads to its collapse.